Just got done watching the movie 57 Seconds. It came out in 2023. It is a 1 hour and 39 minute long rated R movie. It's an action thriller, suspense, sci-fi. Every second counts for a tech blogger who wields a time-altering device to seek revenge for his sister's death. I thought this was okay. There were a few little situations in the movie that I felt like didn't make sense and weren't very logical for like what would be a typical behavior. But what do you think, Lisa?
I enjoyed it for the most part, yeah.
I would give it a 3 out of 5, I think. I'll link the movie below. If you've seen 57 Seconds, let me know what you thought of it. There were just a few things in the movie that I felt like were kind of bullshit, you know, like, yeah, bullshit, that wouldn't happen. Or somebody wouldn't behave in that way.
Yeah, there's always holes in the freaking writers.
Yeah, you have to expect that stuff. Overall, though, I thought it was good. Of course, the performances were excellent. The story was, you know, a little different, but very similar to other types of time manipulation stories. So, if you do like movies that have to do with manipulating time, then I would say definitely check it out. If you're a Morgan Freeman fan, check it out. Yeah, so check it out. Like I said, I'll link it below. And yeah, if you haven't seen this movie, do you typically like movies that have to do with altering time? Either time travel movies or time manipulation movies? Let me know. I find them to be enjoyable, but sometimes they confuse me a little bit because I kind of get a little bit confused as what timeline are we in or where are we at? But yeah, let me know about your experience with that, if you like those movies or not, and I will see you in the next review. Bye.